Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the back seat of a Toyota Sienna. First, accurately identify the specific issue you are facing, whether it's a stuck seat, a broken latch, or something else. Next, perform a visual inspection for obvious problems like debris in the tracks or loose bolts. Having the right tools, such as a basic screwdriver set and a socket wrench, will make the repair process much smoother. Let's get started. Many backseat problems stem from simple mechanical issues. If your seat is sticking, try applying a silicone-based lubricant to the tracks. This often resolves stiffness. For seatbelt issues, check for any foreign objects or wear that might prevent proper latching. Always ensure all mounting bolts are securely tightened to prevent any movement or safety hazards. These steps can often fix common annoyances quickly. For more complex issues, you might need to delve deeper. Carefully remove the plastic trim panels around the seat to expose the internal workings. This allows you to inspect and replace broken latches, springs, or even parts of the reclining mechanism. Remember, some repairs, especially those involving airbags or structural integrity, are best left to certified technicians to ensure safety. Maintaining your back seats can prevent future problems. Regularly vacuuming crumbs and debris from under and around the seats keeps tracks clear and mechanisms functioning smoothly. Also, make it a habit to periodically check all bolts and fasteners for tightness, ensuring everything remains secure. For a fresh interior, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.